Hi hotties, good morning. Let's get dressed together. It's actually going to be kind of hot today. I think it's going to be like 80 degrees and I'm ready to go outside and feel the sun. I've definitely mentioned this before. Whenever I go out in the sun, because I have been like such a hermit crab, I develop an allergy to the sun, but I've been going outside more, girl. No rash. Yeah. Since it's gonna be such a beautiful day today, I was thinking of wearing a little black dress. I feel like this just is it, right? Honestly, I don't wear it that much just because on my body type, I'm not a huge fan of bodycon dresses, period. Like I'm always wearing like baggy jeans to offset like a crop top. I just feel the most confident in a kind of like A-line figure. But it's so exciting because I'm partnering with Skims for this video. Y'all, when I took this out of the box for the first time, I was like, how is this going to fit on my body? It's just so itty bitty and cute. But look, yeah, it's already so cute by itself, right? But I also enjoy like around here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's kind of like a booby cuppage area, which I am not mad about. Obviously, because it's shapewear, it's a little bit tighter, but it is very comfortable and surprisingly super soft. When it comes to stuff like this, like I just want to feel more confident in what I'm wearing. This is definitely helping a lot. Like, guys, I don't think I've ever seen my butt look like a bubble butt before. That was like a really big thing that I wanted for this as well. Like I want to have like a shapely lifted butt, and this is what it's giving me. It enhances my natural curves, but also like accentuates some parts that I've always wanted to. Whenever I wear like a mini skirt or a mini dress, I always wear safety shorts, so I feel like it's just built in, and that's awesome. I threw on some big floofy socks, and I'm gonna put on these really big shoes in a cute bag, and this is what I look like. I'm sorry, mom, for wearing shoes in the house. I have to show my hotties the whole fit. Come on. This is fun. We literally can't survive without a wagon or a little rolly cart whenever we are getting groceries or just running errands, because it's just so easy to bring it back to the apartment. I don't remember if I've revealed this piece of lore about me, but if I were ever to be like a musician, like a music artist, oh, hands down, I would want to be a rapper. And does that mean that I'm good at rapping? No, but I feel like they're just so cool and I want to do that really bad. So something that we always do while we're in the car, I'll literally just pull up like a song with the lyrics, and then he'll just be here listening, supporting me.
Yeah.
Roll the tape. Is that how you say it?
For a movie, yeah.
Work.
Wow.
We are in TJ Maxx right now because we are doing like a bedroom makeover, an apartment makeover in general. So we're just gonna shop around a little. I actually love TJ Maxx a lot. We definitely need like bathroom organization for like the sink, because I kind of just throw all my stuff. I really want a spinny thing, kind of like this, but this is not spinny, but something like that. The trash bin that we use in our bathroom right now is just like open, and then it's just, I don't know, I don't really love it. So maybe we can get a new trash can. These are kind of small though. Maybe something like this. Oh. We are mainly here for bedding. We finally made it to the section. Before that, we picked up a few things already. I think we're really envisioning like striped bedding. I feel like that would be a nice little change, because right now it's just like straight up black. Favorite candy, either this or the sour ropes, but yeah. I was saying on my Instagram story that LE SSERAFIM's 1-800 Hot and Fun should be the hottie anthem, because we're literally just so hot and fun. We got this toy for Suki at TJ Maxx. It's like a cheese, but it has a scratcher and a little indoor thing for her to play with. Let's see if she likes it. We're finally home. Oh my gosh, we're so exhausted right now. I'm still wearing the Skims bodysuit because it's still comfortable after a full day of errands. I just put on some sweatpants so we could just lounge around for the next few hours because, girl, I'm tired. We We just finished eating dinner and I wanted to do a really fun unboxing because look, this package is so big and it's from Flower Nose. They basically just have the prettiest, most gorgeous and cute makeup and I'm so excited to be opening up. Speaking of cute, look at my nails. I retired from press-on nails and we just put gel on my natural nails. That's why they're so short, but I've been loving having short nails. They're adorable. You're kidding. Look at how pretty this is. I think these open up. Look at this gorgeous hairbrush, little hair clippies, tons of little makeup puffs. In this drawer, these are all highlighters. This is what I'm talking about. Look at how adorable. These are little lipsticks. Oh my gosh, a little swatch. Wait, this is so pretty. I'm literally just a girl, like give me cute things and I'm gonna be very, very excited about it. 3 eyeshadow palettes. This is what one of them looks like. It's adorable and look, I'm literally a princess. Are you seeing this? Wait. The most adorable hand mirrors. Oh my god. How many? There are 3 of them. This is an eyebrow palette. It has little butterflies inside. There's a fairy inside. This is literally so me. It's like coquette baddie vibe. I'm actually doing a full like vanity makeover and I'm so excited to display all of this, obviously use them, but these are just gonna be... I already told you that I'm doing a bedroom makeover, but we also are redoing our living room. So I want to show you guys. I feel like it looks really beautiful. Thank you so much, Flower Nose. This is... Y'all just get me. Hey Google, turn the lights on. Yeah, we're fancy. Yeah. The living room was really copy and paste from our last apartment, and since the last apartment has the exact same floor plan as this one, it just felt like we were just living in the same place, so we wanted to switch it up a little bit. The clock and the Miffy light stayed the same, but we changed the whole layout of how we wanted this part. These fake orchids used to be over here, but we moved them right here because I feel like it looks really nice. Actually, Martin put it over here and I was like, wait, why are you like an interior design king right now? But we got this really cool donut lamp from IKEA, and I remember when this first came out, it was such a meme and everyone was saying that it looked like a cervix, and you know what, that's fine. We have a little Smisky and then the baby Smisky over there, another Smisky over here in our Portia Lego set, and then some fake candles. It used to be over there, but we switched it up and put it over there. Yeah, this is probably the biggest change. Suki's cat tree used to be over here, but we put a little chair and we put our bear named Sean over there. We have a giant fake plant and then moved the cat tree over here, so it's just kind of like meshing well with the couch. This lantern right here used to be different. It used to be a circle and it was straight up white. We got this really cool one from LA and it has really cool detailing inside and it's actually tan. And then next to the couch, we used to have another paper lantern over here, but we actually moved this tile table that we made for another little Smisky, and we just bought this IKEA like nightstand thing. I love squeezing this. A cool 8-ball rug, and then obviously Suki's new cheese. We're gonna move this around because I want her to be able to scratch it, but for now it's there. So yeah, those are new little upgrades. I feel like it kind of transformed the place a little bit, even though there wasn't that many new changes, but I really, really, really love it. Our sweet treat for the night is ice cream. I'm so excited. And we put some Cocoa Puffs. Wait.
Cocoa Pebbles.
Cocoa Pebbles inside to have like a little bit of a crunch. Cheers. Because we are very cool and fashionable 20-somethings, obviously we play just to impress, and I am like, I'm getting on my last nerve at this damn game because I will be slaying so hard. Like I will look and I will get like 9th place. Okay. This game is so fun though. It really reminds me of Girls Go games. I loved like fashion games growing up, and I feel like I'm just healing my inner child right now. There was a theme like a couple days ago that was like influencer, and I dressed as myself because I was like, oh my god, what if there's a hottie? Tell me why. I like, once I put in the chat Jasmine Lee, it was crickets. It was crickets. And it's also the way that I rarely get first place. Like he always gets first place. And from, oh, you're slaying. Let's see.
Oh, nice.
This is me. She's slaying so hard. Yeah, I love her. First place. Guys, the theme is YouTuber. I'm gonna dress as myself and I'm scared. Wait, what hair do I even wear? So focused right now, bro. Wait, what do I even wear? Should I wear my denim on denim outfit? I'm gonna be humble. Hey, that's me.
Hey, hotties.
As expected, it was crickets in the chat, and that's fine. You know what? I think I just... Oh, I got 4th place, though! Ooh. I feel like it'd be so fun to make a server just, like, full of hotties, because I feel like we'd just get each other. But... This is me. I don't know why it was so hard for me to like try to figure it out, but I feel like I wanted to do my iconic denim on denim look, especially because I love like this Western belt and obviously added bows. I don't know. I was really stressed out. Definitely not my best work. Good morning. Actually, it's afternoon. It's like literally 2 p.m. right now. I washed my hair, did a little hair mask, obviously got ready because today we are going to a K-pop convention thingy. It's called K-Play Fest and I went last year and it was really fun. My friend had extra tickets and I was like, yeah, let's go. Let's just go. Move, bitch. I need to do a mirror selfie. This is what I'm wearing today. I just got this dress and I think it's so beautiful. It's from Sweet Chillin'. It's like a yellow color and I feel like that's so unique. I really like the little belt loops right here. I just got these shoes as well. They're the Steve Madden Miu Miu knockoffs because girl, if you think I'm spending like over $2,000 on shoes, you're crazy. You're crazy. But I feel super cute and ready to spend money on things that I don't need. Okay, so right now I think it's also anime convention. Well, we're heading over to the K-pop session. We got in. It's super AC in here, which is nice. Can you please say hi, hotties? I just hit 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Hi, hottie. Hotties? Hotties? Yeah. Hot girl. Martin just got this Smisky keychain.
Look at him.
So cute. Bro, what the fuck? What the heck? It's been a few hours and I wanted to do a haul. Okay, so the first thing that I have is from Private Paradise Co. It's one of my friend's business and she's so cool. It's very low-key K-pop merch. So this butterfly with like all these chains right here is so pretty and it's for 80s. This jacket is insane. It's from Ordinary Affair. They were so kind. I feel like it's so rare to find 17 merch, like fan-made merch, and they had this amazing jacket with all of the members' names and it's like all very creative. This is what it looks like in the front. It's so comfortable. Yes, oh my gosh, I'm going to both of 17's LA tour dates, so if you're gonna be there, I mean, no, we can hang out. Oh my gosh, speaking of tour dates, Kiss of Life's tickets come out in a few days and I'm ready for war, bro. Like, I gotta see my girls for real. Also from Ordinary Affair, I have this New Jeans tote bag. It says Hype Boy. She also knew that my bias is Jungkook from BTS, so she gave me this, which is so sweet. I bought this really cute Miffy. I think I want to put this on my laptop case. Cute Sunny Angel Brian sticker. And the last things we have are Smiskies because you guys know these are our favorite ever and we just love hiding them around the apartment. Oh my gosh, I'm actually gonna go insane. The only thing I want is the one with the kitty because we have bought this a few times and we have all the other ones, but literally the only one I want is the kitty. Like, please, 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 please. I'm not feeling good about this one, guys. 3. Okay, like this one's cute, but we have 3 of these bitches. This is the one that Martin got. This one's really cute. We had a burst of energy to play Overcooked again. This is our favorite game to play together. I think this is like our 3rd time playing this actually.
Yeah, probably.
Wait, I'm so confused right now. If you can, send me some cucumber.
Cutes.
Thank you.
We did better than our last time though.
Oh, wait, why did we say that?
Okay.
I have a really fun video. Oh, why is this? Why do I look like that? I have a really fun video I want to film today for like TikTok and Instagram. I was doing a little bit of online shopping and this shirt was on sale and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it because we kind of have similar hair color. So I was thinking that I can try to replicate this makeup look. I don't know, I feel like it'd be fun. Don't worry, I have a hair appointment later this week. My roots look so bad. And it's just because this time at my last appointment, we tried to do like a shadow root type situation, but it just looks like really bad. Like it looks really bad. I don't like it. I want to show you the behind the scenes of how I film like my makeup videos and stuff. Right now, I definitely need to change. Yay. Because for these types of videos, you can only see from like the boobie up. I'm always wearing like comfy pants. I'm wearing sweatpants today. My vanity is a complete mess right now, so I have to tidy that up a little bit so I have room to actually film. I also just chugged this Alani energy drink. Okay, honestly, I don't think I need that much energy right now. I'm definitely feeling the shake, but this flavor is like caramel apple flavored. Girl, it tastes so good. It tastes so good. Okay, all the makeup that I want to use is laid out right here. And then this is the little tripod I use for my phone. It's a good height, and then I just like snap it in like this. I really hope that I can pull this off. I feel not very confident, but we're gonna try our best. I'm giving myself an hour or an hour and a half to film this because we are starting today off late. I was supposed to start filming this at 1. Girl, it is 3. It is 3 p.m. right now. Sometimes while I'm filming, I'll listen to music, but today I'm feeling a video. This is Stephanie. Y'all know I love her, so let's do this. It's 25 minutes later and I'm still on eyebrows because I'm trying to change the shape of my brows and it's just not working. I really don't think I have enough time to film this day because we have like I have dinner with my family in like a couple hours and I'm like I want to give up so bad. Okay, no. We can do this. We can do this. 2 hours later, are you guys ready to see how it looks? Okay, this is the reference. Yeah! It's not perfect, of course. I feel like I could have made the bottom lashes a little bit more dramatic, but I wanted to make it semi-wearable. I was really, really close to giving up, but I think that this is the best I'm gonna get. My hair is a mess right now. I've literally been trying to film a damn transition video for the longest time. I'm literally sweating. This is a little close-up of the eye look. I know it looks like really dramatic and crazy, but like come on, like I had to do this justice. I feel like it's fun like exploring with different kinds of makeup looks, and I felt really inspired looking at this shirt. She's holding a really cute bunny, so I was posing with Miffy and trying to be like I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I know it's been a while since I vlogged, period, but I had a lot of fun hanging out with you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. I definitely want to film more vlogs. I think in the past couple of months have not been in the right headspace for that. I honestly have a lot of joy just like sitting down and yapping with you guys. That's why most of my videos have been sit downs, but this was a nice change of pace. I hope you have a beautiful day and I love you so much. Bye.